Hello everyone. We will be doing Grade 7 Science Logical Reasoning NSO 2022-23 set A questions. Moving on to the questions. The first question. Find the missing number to complete the given number pattern. So firstly we will be writing number pattern here. It is 0, 2, 6, 12, 20, 30. If we try to find out the difference between them, we'll get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So if we see this, these all are multiple of 2. So the next difference between will be of 12. So 30 plus 12 gives us 42. So the answer B is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Rohan walks 7 kilometers towards south and then turns to right and walk for 3 kilometers. Then he turns to left and walk for 10 kilometers. Which direction is he facing now? So if we draw Rohan here, firstly he walks 7 kilometers to south. For south, this is his right, this will be his left. Then he turns right and walk for 3 kilometers. This is 3 kilometers. Then he turns left. So moving here, this will be right, this will be left. He turns left and walk for 10 kilometers. Which direction is he facing? So he is facing this direction. This is again south. So our answer C is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. In a certain code language, BAND is coded as 2573 and READUE is coded as 4153. What will be the code for BEAR weird in a same code language? So first we will write it is BAND is coded as 2573 and READ is coded as 4153. So BEAR is coded as, for B it is 2, so 2, for E it is 1, 1 for, we see that A and A are similar in both, so it is 5, and for R it is 4. 2154 is our correct answer. So our answer B is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Select the correct water image of the given figure. So let's draw a water image here. This will be same, as we know the direction doesn't change. This also same. So this will be the wrong answer. This will be also wrong answer. This. So even after drawing this much part, we can get the correct answer. So answer B is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Pointing towards Sneha, Puneet said, she is only daughter of my brother's father's wife. How is Sneha related to Puneet? So, firstly, my brother's father will be Puneet's father. And his wife will be Puneet's mother. And the daughter will be his sister. Daughter will be his sister. So how is Sneha related to Puneet? Sneha is a sister of Puneet. So answer B is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. In a Venn diagram, square, triangle and circle represent the area in which mango, apple and orange tree are grown respectively. Which of the following numbers represent the common area in which all the three types of fruits are grown? So it is given that square represent mango, triangle represent apple, and a circle represents orange. We have to find the common area. So if we see this is covering only circle and this is the only part in which a triangle, circle and square is connecting. So this is our part. So this is 3. So answer B is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Arrange the following words in a meaningful sequence and select the correct option. So this is not 6. Fifth is district. So firstly, as we see that every option has 4 at first position. So first will be 4. That is room. Rooms are present in house. House are in street. Street are there in town. And town are there in district. So our correct answer is 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. Answer C is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. If A stands for plus, B stands for minus, C stands for multiplication, then find the value of 14 plus A, 14A 10, B 14, C 2. So firstly we'll write this here. It is 14A 10, B 14C 2. This is 14A represent plus 10, B represent minus, C represent multiplication. This is 24 minus 28. We get minus 4. So answer B is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. 3 different positions of a dice are shown here. Which symbol will be at the top when hash is at the bottom? So we have to firstly find the opposite faces of all. So we have hash, at the rate and percent sign. So see, we have hash here, hash here. So opposite of these two will be either this or this. So this will be cut, this will be cut. What is remaining with us? Yes, C. Opposite of this will be this. We have percentage here, percentage here. At the rate here, at the rate here. So directly also the opposite sign is given. Moving on to the next question. So the correct answer will be answer number B. Moving on to the next question. In a class, Rashmi is 12th from the top. If her position is shifted towards the bottom by 3 places, then she becomes 5th from the bottom. How many children are there in the class? So let's draw a line. Firstly, Rashmi is 12th from top. So here are 11 people. Rashmi is the 12th position and this is Rashmi. Here are 11 people left. Rashmi shift 3 places down. So it is 1, 2 and 3. So Rashmi will come here. Rashmi comes here. Now her position is 5th from bottom. So this is a 5th position. So here will be 4 people. So we have to count how many children are there in the class. 11 plus 1 Rashmi plus her shift in 3 position. This is 1, 2 and 3 plus 4 students at the bottom. The total number will be 19. So our answer C is a correct answer. Now we will be doing grade 7 Science Logical Reasoning NSO 2001 2021-22 set A questions. Moving to the first question, it says, how many sevens are there in a given arrangement which is immediately followed by a symbol and immediately preceded by n? So, we want 7 that are immediately followed by a symbol. So, symbol this or symbol this, whatever symbols are there should be here, and immediately followed by a symbol and preceded by n. So let's find, it is n here and a symbol, so first combination is this. Now again n, 7 symbol, second combination, it is m, we are not getting the symbol before, so this is also, this is, then again we are getting m, so we have only two sevens available in such a type. So answer B is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following option does not? Please pay attention here. It is written does not satisfy the same condition of placement of dot as in a given figure. So let's see this BR dot 1, this BR dot 2, and this BR dot 3. So for dot 1, it is covering a square and a circle. For dot 2, it is covering a square, a circle, and a triangle. And if we look at dot 3, it is covering a triangle and a square. So let's see the first condition. We can see that the first dot is square and a circle. So here is square and a circle. So we can put first dot here. Now, square, circle, and a triangle. Here we can find a circle, a triangle, and a square. So second dot here. For third dot, we want a triangle and a square alone, but I can't find any such place. So this can be our answer because we cannot fulfill the third condition. Let's see another options. So first we'll put first dot. It is square plus circle. So this is a place where we can first dot. Here we can put a second dot. Here we can put a second dot. And the third place where we can put, here we can put a third dot. Moving on to this option. Firstly, we want triangle, we want square and a circle. So first dot here, second dot here, and the third dot here. And in this, first we want square and a circle. So first dot here, second dot here, and third dot here. So the correct answer will be answer number A because it does not satisfy the condition. Moving on to the next question. Raj is son of Rani and father of Sahil. If Meena is mother of Sahil, then how is Meena related to Rani? So let's draw. Raj is son of Rani, so Rani comes here. And Raj is the son of Rani. Okay. And father of Sahil. So his son is Sahil. If Meena is mother of Sahil, so Meena is a mother of Sahil, that means he is a wife of Raj. Then how is Meena related to Rani? Rani is mother of Raj and she is mother-in-law of Meena. So Meena is daughter-in-law of Rani. Moving on to the next question. Choose a box from the option that is similar to the box formed when the given sheet of paper is folded to form a box. So if we want, we will be folding this to create a box. So let's see the first option. We have this at 1, triangle at 2nd, but the circle is at the opposite position. These two are far away. So how these both can be connected? But this is not our answer. In this, we have circle here, square shaded here, and a triangle shaded here, a triangle shaded here. So answer B is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Find the missing number if same rule is followed in all the three figures. So we'll be doing something to create relationship between all these three to get this number. So let's find the first. It is 3, 4, 2. Let's add these. We'll get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What should I do to 9 to have 81? Let's multiply 9 with 81. Let's try to put this logic in second as well. 6 plus 7 plus 5. We'll get 18. 18 multiplied by 18, we get 324. So let's try in last as well. 9 plus 10 plus 8, we get 27. 27 multiplied by 27, we get 729. And this is available in option number C. So answer C is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following options will complete the pattern in a given figure? So let's draw here the square. The line goes this way. This part will be a shaded part. So this option got cancelled. We have three options left. And this and this. So this option also gets cancelled. Now the shaded part will be this part. So answer C is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. If in a certain code language, if SCIENTIST is written as VFJHQULVU, then how is education decoded in same language? So we'll write here SCIENTIST, scientist. It is coded as VFJHQULVU. So from S to V, if we at 3, we get B. From C to F, if we at 3, so we can find there is some pattern of 3. But from I to J, we just add 1. Let's see. From E to H, again plus 3. From N to Q, again plus 3. From T to U, we just add 1. The next, it is again, the pattern is plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. So if we write education here, it is plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. So plus E plus 3 is H, D plus 3 is G, it is V, F, D, U, L, R, and N plus it is O. So can we find any option like this? Option C is a correct answer. No, 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 no. Option B is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. How many squares are there in a given figure? A. Let's count number of squares. Firstly, if we count smaller squares of this size, it is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, 4 here. It is 16. These are total 20. If we try to find other this size squares, they are square 1, square 2, square 3, square 4, square 5. 5 in this column. Then again, square 1, square 2, square 3. 3 here and 3 here. It is 11. Now, we have one big square here. The complete square. So with the big square, we have 1. There are other 4 squares. If you clearly see, this is the first square. See, it is like this. First square, the second square will be this. Second square is this. The third square will be this. Third square is this. And the fourth square will be this. Fourth square is this. So it is plus 4. Total number of squares that we have is 20 plus 11 plus 1 plus 4. The total number is 36. So answer D is the correct answer. Moving on to the next question. There is a certain relationship between the pair of figures on the either side. Identify the relationship in the given pair and find the missing figure. Firstly, draw this like this. If you see 2 sticks are increasing to 3. So 3 will increase to 4. Now, if you see the big square and the small square changing to only big. So here it will be a big square. For arrow, big square for arrow. So answer is clearly showing us on this. Let's do more. 3 lines decreasing to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 line will decrease to 3. Triangle, square changes to circle. Here it will be triangle. So answer is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. A bus is moving towards west. It moves 7 kilometers towards west and then turns right and covers 5 kilometer distance. The bus takes a right turn again and covers 9 kilometers. How far is the bus now from its starting point? So first, let's create a bus here. This is north, no, this is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. So bus goes firstly to the west. Bus going west, 7 kilometers. Then it takes right. This is, let's draw again a bus because it is to right. We don't have space for it. So this is a bus going west for 7 kilometers, taking a right. This is right. and this is left. Taking right and traveling 5 kilometers, then again taking right. This is again right and left. Taking right and traveling for 19 kilometers. How far is bus? Bus is this far, but we had to find. So if we draw a line here, this is 5 kilometers and this will be 19 minus 7. That is 12 kilometers. We need to find this. We will be applying a Pythagoras theorem here. That is a square plus b square equals to c square. So this is 5 square plus 12 square equals to, let's assume it to be c. It is 25 plus 144. It comes to 169 under root of 169c and it comes 13. So it is 13 kilometers. So answer C is a correct answer. Moving on to the next. Now we will be doing grade 7 science logical reasoning NSO 2020-21 set A questions. First question. A sheet of paper is folded in a particular manner and a punch is made as shown. Select a figure from the option that would closely resemble the unfolded form of given sheet. Let's unfold it. This will be this will be this will be this. This will come here, and this will come here, and this will come here, here, here. So answer A is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. P, Q, R, S, T are sitting around a circle facing a center. Q is second to the right of P and third to the left of S. Q is not a neighbor of R, who is third to right of T. Who is who are the nearest of S? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's draw a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people are sitting here. Firstly, they are saying Q is second to right of P. If we make P here, Q is second to right of P and third to left of T. 1, 2, 3. So T will come here. Now, Q is not neighbor of R. So R will not come here. R will not come here. So R will be here. Who is third to right of T? Third to right of T will be 1, 2, 3. So T will come here. What's remaining is U. So we have to find who are neighbor of S. We did something wrong. And third to left of S. It is S, not T. So we have to find who are neighbor of S. It is R and P. So answer C is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following elements satisfy the given Venn diagram? First is stationary pan fancy. So the Venn diagram will be stationary comes under pan and fancy. So this is a wrong option. It is father, mother, male. So father and mother are connected and male is a different thing. So maybe in something inside or it will be male, father and a mother. Football player, cricket player and student. Students are football and cricket player. Sister, teacher, female. So it will be in a such pattern that teacher, Teacher is a female and also a sister. So answer D is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question, we have to complete this. So if we draw a line here, shaded part will be this, as it is in now a complete circle. And this, the shaded part will be this. Let's try to eliminate. This will not be the answer. We have these three options left. So now this will come here and T will come here. And the shaded part of this changes from here to this will be a shaded part and this will be a shaded part. So answer A is a correct answer. In this shaded part are wrong and in this also these two are same. No, in this the shaded part are wrong. Moving on to the next question. Arrange the given words in a sequence in which they occur in dictionary and select the correct option. So let's see. They all have T. Now I comes first, then R. So these two will not come first. Then S. Then again this is a first because A comes first. Then now S, S, U, U, L, E. E comes first, this will be second, and this will be third, this will be fourth, and this will be fifth. So it is 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. Answer C is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. If P donate minus, Q donate multiplication, R donate divide, S donate plus, then find the value of 125Q, 32R, 8P, 200S, 350. Is 125Q, 32R, 8P, 200S, 350. Now let's try to put digits here. It will be 125 multiplied by 32. R represents divide by 8. P represents minus 200 plus S. S represents plus 350. So 125. First we'll do divide as per Bodmar's rule. It will come 4 minus 200 plus 350. Now it will be 500 minus 200 plus 350. The answer will be 650. So answer A is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. How many squares are there in given figure? So let's count. First we will count this side squares. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 squares here. Now more squares are, this is square number 1. This is square number 2. And this is the square number 3. So it is 3. Total number of squares are 8. So A is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following will be the middle digit of the middle number formed after adding 1 to each of the given numbers, then arrange them in ascending order? So let's first add 1, 642 changes to 643, 379, 895, 5647, and 693. Now let's arrange them in an ascending order. It will be 379, 547, 643, 693, and 895. Now we have to take middle digits, middle digit only, middle number. So answer C is a correct answer, that is 4. Moving on to the next question. Select the correct mirror image of the given figure if the mirror is placed vertically to left. So we will be drawing the mirror image here. Okay, let's draw. It will be same. 3 will be this. So this it's this is the wrong answer because it is always perpendicular. It doesn't get reversed. Now 5 will be like this, and this will be so answer is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Group the given figures into 3 classes on the basis of their identical properties using each figure only once. Let's see type of figure. See, this is the one type of figure in which it is divided in 3 parts. This is other in which a similar smaller figure is embedded, and this is a third pattern. So the first pattern we divided in 3 parts. So it is 6, 4, and one more is 8. So we have 4, 6, 8. Other pattern be this. It is 1, 5, 7. So we have 1, 5, 7, and the third one is 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9. So the correct answer will be option number A. 157, 239, 468. Now we will be doing grade 7 science logical reasoning NSO 2019-20 set A. Let's move to the question. Question number 1. Pointing the women, Mitakshi said, her sister is my daughter's brother's mother. How is women related to Mitakshi? So, Mitakshi's daughter's brother will be her son, and his mother will be Mitakshi herself, and the sister of Mitakshi will be, and her sister will be Mitakshi's sister. So answer C is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. The question consists of set of 3 figures x, y, z showing a sequence of folding of a piece of paper. Figure Z shows the manner in which the folded paper has been cut. Select a figure from the option which would closely resemble the unfolded form of Z. Let's unfold the Z here. So this will be circle in this way, this will be this way, this will be this way. Again, this. You can see that there are two complete circle here. So this will not be our answer. This will also not be our answer. This will also not be our answer. This is a correct answer. If you want to complete it, you can complete it this way. Four semicircles are there. So answer C is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Select a figure from the option which when placed in a blank space of given figure would complete the pattern. Let's complete the pattern. This line will join here. Now this line will join here. This is a shaded and this will join here and this will join here. Now we have to find the shaded part. These both are not shaded part. This will be shaded and this will also be shaded. So the correct answer will be option number D. So option D is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Ritika faced towards south. Turning to her right, she walks 20 meters, then turns to her left and walks 35 meters. Next, she walks 25 meters to her right. She then turns to her right again and walks 55 meters. Finally, she turns to the right and walks 25 meters. In which direction is she now from starting point? So, firstly, where the option has double southwest, northwest, let me explain these first. So, this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west, this is northeast, this is northwest, this is southwest, this is southeast. Now, let's make Ritika to move. So, Ritika is here. She is facing south. So this is a direction where she is facing. So this is her right and this is her left. She walks turning to her right. Now she turns to this side and walks 20 meters. She walks 20 meters. She then turns to left. Now this is her right and this is her left. She turns to left and walk for 35 meters. Next she walks 25 meters to her right. This is her right, this is her left. She walks 25 meters. No. Next, she walks 25 meters to her right. She walks to her right 25 meters. Now, she then turns to her right again. Now, this is her right, this is her left. She turns to her right again and walks 55. So, this will be 55. Finally, she turns to her right. Now, this is her right, this is her left, and walk 25. So, this will be 25. And finish this direction. This direction is northwest. So, C is the correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following options will continue the given pattern? So, if you look closely to the pattern, it is B, E, H. C, G, K, D, I, N, E, K, Q. So if you closely see that the pattern is in this way. B has connection with C, D, and E. So next will be F plus 1. Now, E may have connection with G, I, K. And the connection is plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. K plus 2 gives us M. And if we try to look at the last letters alphabets, we see that there is jump of 3 in every alphabet. N plus 3 gives us Q, so Q plus 3 gives us T. So the correct answer is FMT. C is the correct answer. Moving on to the next question. It says, if divide stand for subtraction, multiplication stand for addition, minus stand for division, and plus stand for multiplication, then what is the value of 2 plus 14 minus 4 divided by 11 into 2? Let's write it. 2 plus 14 minus 4 divided by 11 multiplied by 5. If we write it in a correct form, it gives 2 multiplied by 14 minus we present divide by 4 minus 11 plus 5. So this will be 2 multiplied by 7 by 2 following the BODMAS rule plus 5. Now we will be doing multiplication. So these two get cut. 7 minus 11 plus 5. So the answer we will get is 12 minus 11 equals to 1. So answer C is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Select the correct mirror image of a given combination of letter and number if the mirror is placed vertically to the right. So let's place the mirror first vertically to the right. So the positions reverse. So R will be this, P will be this, 2 will be this. Can you find any? So this will not be our answer. We have 3 options left and R is facing this side. This will also not be our answer. These 2 we have options left. The other R will again be this way. Then 9 will be like this. Then 6 will be like this. 9 will be this. Then 2. Then E. Then R. If you see that R, so no, it's not R, it is K. No, let's make this again. Clearly we'll make it. So we have already eliminated these two options. These two options. We have this option and this option. This one. So let's make R E 2 R 6 9 U P K. So the correct image will be this, and the answer that we'll be getting is A. Because your K is wrong, your R is wrong, and here this is wrong. K is wrong. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following figure is exactly embedded in a given figure as one of its part? See, this is this. This is wrong in this. This is horizontal line, but here it is given vertical. Let's go to option number B. They have done here vertical line, circle, triangle. So I think this can be a correct answer. We don't have this line here. This is also not an answer. This is not down, this is here. This is also not an answer. So answer B is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. In a row of girls, if Arpita is 12 from the left end and 15 from right end, then how many girls should join the row such that there are 30 girls in row? Let's make row first. Let's make Arpita to sit. So, Arpita is 12th from left end. Arpita is 12th from left end. So, this is left. Here are 11 girls. Arpita is 12th. And 15th from right end. She is 15th. So, here are 14 girls. So, total number of girls are 40 plus 11 plus 1 Arpita. It gives us 16. Now, how many girls are required to make it total 30? So 30 minus 16 gives us total of 14. So answer C is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Three positions of dice are given below. How many dots will be there? Will be on the face opposite to face having dot. 4 dots. So see, this has 3, this has 3, this has 4, this has 4. So we can say that the 6 has opposite, 6 is opposite to 1. Now we are left with 3 and 4. So 3 is here, 3 is here. Or we can say 3 is here, 3 is here, 1 is here, 1 is here. So opposite to 4 will be 2. 2. So 2 is a correct answer. So A is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. So it is Grade 7 Science Logical Reasoning NSO 2018-19 Set A. First question. Find the missing number if a certain rule is followed at the row wise or column wise. Let's try to find out the rule that is being followed. See, if you try to look, if we multiply these both, we will get this thing. No. If we try to multiply these both, let's do it again. So let's write the number first. See, because these two parts have very small number and these two has big number. So let's find relationship between these two to find these two. So if we multiply 5 and 4, we get 20. And if we subtract 12 from it, we get 8. This is 12 and this is 8. Let's try this rule in second as well. If we multiply 9 and 3, we get 27. And if we subtract it by 15, we get 12. Yes, this is working. Let's find the last. 8 multiplied by 4, 32, minus 20, we get 12. Yes, we have 12 in our option, so answer C is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Count the number of squares in a given figure. So firstly, let's count the square of this size. It is 1, 2, 4 here, 4 here, and here. It's 12. Now some big squares of this size. It is 1, second one, and the third. Now it is 4, this one 5, and this one 6. So we got 6 circles here. Now let's try to find more circles. See, if you try to find the here, you can get more circles as well. Wait. See, one circle and the second circle. So we have 2 circles more. Let's try to add it. It is 12 plus 6 plus 2, which is 20. So answer C is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Select a figure from the option in which the given figure is exactly embedded as one of its parts. See, it has a folded part, but I can't find anything here. Same here. Let's try to find it here. We try to make goes this way and this way and this way. Do it again. Huh? This, 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 and this. Yes, we can find this figure here. Huh? So answer C is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Sumit is 14 from the right end of a row of 35 boys. If first 2 boys from the left end leave the row, then what is Sumit's position from left end? Let's make a row here, make Sumit sit here. Now, Sumit is 14th from right end. This is right. He is 14th. So here are 13 boys. And there are total 35 boys. 35 minus 14 gives us 21. So here are 21 boys to the left. If 2 boys from left hand leaves the row, 2 boys leave. If 2 boys from the left hand leaves the row, what is his position from left hand? Now 2 boys leaves the row. The total number of boys will be 2 boys leave will be 19. So Sumit's position will be here are 19 boys left. As we are subtracting 2 gives us 19. Number of boys here are 19. So from left and Sumit's position will be 20th. So answer A is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following Venn diagram best represent the relationship among stationary fan and scale? So this can't be because stationary comes fan and scale comes under stationary. So if we select D, this can be stationary, this can be fan, and this can be scale. So answer D is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Select the correct water image of the given figure. Let's try to make water image. We'll make a smaller water image. Okay. So this will be a wrong answer because they are facing the key face this side. This will also be, so we have 2 options left, C or D. See, this has these fingers wrong. So that even after drawing the fingers, we can say that C will, what B is a correct answer. So answer B is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. If in a certain code language 546 is written as you are best, 538 is written as you can do, and 692 is written as all are good, then which digit is written as best? See, 546 says you are best. 538 says you can do. So we can find the conclusion from these two that 5 is you. Now 692 says all are good. So R and R is good and 6 is common. So we can say that 6 represent R. So best represent 4 because 4 is remaining. So answer B is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Select the figure from the option which satisfy the same condition of placement of dot as in a given figure. Firstly, let's name the dot number 1, dot number 2, dot number 3, and dot number 4. For dot number 1, we just want a rectangle. For dot number 2, we want a circle plus a square. For dot number 3, we want a rectangle, a circle, and a square. For dot number 4, we need a circle and a rectangle. So let's place for first dot. We can place first dot here, dot number 1. Then second dot needs circle and a square. There is no relationship between circles, so this cannot be our answer. Let's move to second option. Firstly, a rectangle. We can place first dot here, second circle and a square. There is no place where there is only circle and a square, so this can't be our answer. Let's try to do this. First rectangle. We can't place the first dot because there is no place where we can place only where there is a place where we can find only rectangles. This cannot be our answer, so our answer will be D. Let's try to put dots here. First dot only on rectangle, second dot on circle and a square. See, here you can find the circle and a square. Dot number 2 here. Now, circle, square, and a rectangle. So dot number 3 here. Now, fourth dot we can put here. So answer D is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. If K denotes multiplication, B denotes divide, T denotes minus, and M denotes plus, then 40 plus 40B, 8T, 6M, 3K, 4 is equals to question mark. Let's write this here. 40B, 8T, 6M, K4. So it will be 40 divided by 8 minus 6. Here is 3 as well, plus 3 multiplied by 4. This will be 5 minus 6 plus 3 multiplied by 4. We are following the board mass rule here. Now, it will be 5 minus 6 plus 12. It will give you the answer 11. So answer B is a correct answer. Moving on to the next question. 2 points of a dice are shown below. When number 5 is at the bottom, which number will be on the top? C. 6 and 5, 6 and 5. So the opposite of 5 will be 2. So answer is 2. So A is a correct answer.